#grateful. My heart until now is overflowing with gratitude to each one, from the Board of Trustees to the college officials, faculty members, and administrative personnel, to the students, partner agencies, the alumni, and other stakeholders who trusted my leadership and believed that I'm capable. Thank you for sustaining my strengths. Through our collective efforts and your strong support, we were able to accomplish many tasks and rise above despite the challenges of the pandemic and after multiple storms. To those who doubted, my sincerest pasasalamat also for helping me further discover my weaknesses and find out rooms for improvement. That indeed helped maintain the balance. Number 2, #challenge. I would like to address this to our new president, Dr. Zulueta, and to the rest